Hi, today I'm going to show you how to sync your preferences across all Microsoft 11 devices. So if you want to do it, you need to click right mouse button icon with a start, and then you need to go to settings. Then from the left panel you need to go to accounts, and here you go to Windows backup your files, apps, preferences to restore them across devices. And here you need to remember to log into your Microsoft account, because after that this option will be successfully enabled. Remember my preferences. Quickly access your preferences across Microsoft experiences. So you need to enable this option by clicking on this dot. Then you will be able to check some of these options. I recommend you to check accessibility settings, accounts, Wi-Fi, networks and passwords, personalization, language preferences and dictionary, and other Windows settings. After that it will be successfully synced. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.